Hey everyone, my name is Teacher Grant. Again today we're diving into some cool American proverbs that you'll hear all the time. These aren't just for your English class, but they're real life phrases that you can make you sound super fluent. Let's get started. First up, actions speak louder than words. Actions speak louder than words. If someone's all talk and no action, this is your go-to phrase. It's a reminder that what people do is way more important than what they say. Once again, if someone's all talk and no action, this is your go-to phrase. Remind them that actions speak louder than words. That what people do is way more important than what they say. Next up, the early bird catches the worm. One more time. The early bird catches the worm. This one's about getting a jump on things. So whether it's waking up early or getting to the front of the line, being early usually pays off. Once again, it's about getting a jump on things early. So whether it's waking up early or getting to the front of the line, the early bird catches the worm. Being early usually pays off. Now let's look at the third one. Don't cry over spilt milk. Don't cry over spilt milk or spilled milk. Made a mistake? Don't stress over it. It's a way of saying, hey, it's done. Move on and don't waste time worrying about it. Don't cry over spilt milk. Made a mistake? Don't stress over it. It's just a way of saying, hey, it's done. Move on and don't waste time thinking about it, worrying about it. Move on. Now on to the fourth one. It's better late than never. Better late than never. Better late than never. Didn't finish something on time. This phrase is perfect for those times when it's better to get it done late than not at all. Better late than never. So again, didn't finish something on time. It's a great time to use it. It's a perfect time to use it because it's better to get something done than not done at all. And finally, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. If you're in a new place or a situation, adapt to the local customs. It's all about fitting in and making the most of where you are. One more time, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. So how I would summarize it is, be like them, but don't change who you are. I'm not really a fan of that phrase, but I think it's good to respect every culture, every country that you go to, as long as it does not impair your values. If you found this helpful, guys, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends who might need these tips. And I need you guys, hit that subscribe button. Alright, I don't want you to miss any of these tips. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you next time. Know that you're awesome and amazing. I love you all. Goodbye.